Hello, hello. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a photographer since 1973. In 1982, I devoted myself to capture the most birds in Israel to publish the book Birds of Israel. I captured more than 370 species in Israel by myself, solitary, using Nikon f2, f3, and 2000 and 1000 millimeter lens Nikon. I love Nikon lens, and even I receive from Nikon Japan the first Nikon HP titanium f3 as a present. Then I put Israel on the map by Nikon. That's it. Today I'm here in the Everglades in United States, and I have thousands of images from the Everglades, Wakudahachi, and other places. And I'm planning to publish the biggest artwork in the world. Is going to be more than 200 yards, 200 meters long, and 44 inches high. This is going to be the largest birds artwork in the world for sure. This is artwork number C, and it's going to be all the way in the alphabet till Z. Thank you very much for watching. Please visit my website. Thank you, Martin.